New tonight, a grieving family searching for justice said they were blindsided by an announcement from Attorney General Alan Wilson. Thank you for joining us at 11. I'm Edward Moody. Trish is off tonight. This evening, Wilson announced the deadly 2023 shooting of Scott Spivey was self-defense. The shooting happened on September 9th, 2023. It involved North Myrtle Beach business owner Weldon Boyd and Boyd's passenger Kenneth Williams. Witnesses said Spivey tried to run Boyd off the road while waving a gun out of his window. Horry County Police said Spivey died after the men got into a shootout on Camp Swamp Road. Police ruled it self-defense. The AG's office declined to prosecute Boyd, citing insufficient evidence. News 13's Adriana Lawrence is live in the newsroom. And Adriana, you spoke to Spivey's family. How did they react to the news?
Well, Edward Spivey's sister Jennifer Foley said she's heartbroken and does not believe Wilson or his team reviewed all of the evidence. She said the worst part is her family never knew the AG's office was looking at the case again until the news came out this evening. Since Spivey's death, Jennifer Foley has asked SLED and the AG's office to take another look at her brother's case. Phone conversations released in March between Horry County's top police official Brandon Strickland and Boyd minutes after the deadly shooting raised eyebrows, bringing this case to the spotlight nearly 2 years later. SLED is now taking another look at the case, and Wilson offered his opinion Wednesday that the evidence still points to self-defense. Foley says she never knew Wilson's office was taking another look, but feels like she's lost her brother all over again.
We've lost a lot. And we were still holding out hope that there were still people that were in the government or people that were in the positions that could restore trust in the state and in the county.
Wilson's office said in a news release multiple career prosecutors reviewed eyewitness statements, toxicology reports, video evidence, and forensic analysis. Wilson, who is also running for governor against Congresswoman Nancy Mace, released his statement minutes before Mace's first town hall event in Myrtle Beach Wednesday evening. Mace has criticized Wilson publicly before about several cases, including the Spivey case. I asked Mace about her thoughts.
I have a lot to say about what the Attorney General did today and the BS. The Attorney General is afraid to fight crime. He won't prosecute murder. He won't prosecute rape. He won't prosecute human trafficking. He won't prosecute pedophiles.
Foley said she can't imagine why they chose this moment other than a political opportunity.
And I don't want my family to be political collateral for anyone. I think that we have been through enough with what public agencies have done to us so far. And here's another example of a public agency using us as political gain or a political grenade at someone else, and that is not fair to my family.
Now, Foley said the Stand Your Ground hearing will still be heard by a judge, hopefully soon, and that will be the final say. We also reached out to Governor Henry McMaster and Lieutenant Governor Pamela Evans' office. Both had no comment. Live in the newsroom, Adriana Lawrence, News 13.